Hello and welcome back to another day on our chakra series. Today we are working on the throat chakra, and for this one it's all about your expression and how you can speak your truth better. And what we're going to do is all focused on alleviating any blocks, any pain that you have in the neck area, the shoulders. We're going to do some lymphatic massage. So let's get started. We're just going to start by gently rolling the shoulders up, back, and down. And if it's helpful, you can bring your hands towards your shoulders to give extra focus here, focusing on opening up the throat chakra. And if you did the heart chakra class, this is a really good one to do just immediately after, because the heart and the throat chakra often work together. So if one is closed, the other tends to be closed as well. Now with the hands on the shoulders, drop your ear over towards the left side. Notice any pain that comes up. Notice if there's any areas of tension. Maybe you can shift your chin forward and back, just gently stretching this area out. Good. And we'll do the same on the other side. Again, if you're feeling some stiffness, maybe bring some movement into this. Now release the arms back behind you, interlacing the hands behind your back. Start to pull away from your body. So we're doing this pulling away. And as you do this, I want you to lift your chin up towards the sky. Imagine blue light shining in your throat chakra. Imagine the sensations of the freedom to speak your truth at any given moment. Good, and release. The biggest thing that blocks our chakras is fear, and there's a lot of fearful tactics played out in society. So it's really good to be mindful of what you're consuming and how it's affecting you energetically. If it's bringing you into a state of fear, you're less likely to stand in your truth. So this practice is really good for realigning the body, the mind, and the energetic spirit. So with that being said, we're going to come on to our hands and knees and just do some cat-cows, dropping the belly, lifting the gaze, opening the throat. And as you exhale, round the spine, tuck your chin into your chest. Inhale, open up in the throat area. Exhale, round down. Good, one more round. And exhale. Now we're going to come back into our plank pose here. Holding plank here, feeling the strength that we possess, feeling the strength in your body. And start to lower down onto your forearms, staying in plank. So we're doing forearm plank now. Breathe here. One more inhale, and on your exhale, lower all the way down. And notice how your heart naturally opens here. You can relax the toes down. Gaze comes forward. And if you have pain in the back of your neck, you can keep your neck neutral, tuck your chin in towards your chest. And if you want to open up the neck, the front body more, you can lift your chin up towards the sky. Very good. Now we're going to release down, bring the hands back, and we're coming into rabbit pose. So this one's really interesting. I've never actually taught this on my YouTube channel. It stretches the back body and the neck. And while you do this, it's really important that you don't move your neck, so you keep it tucked in towards your chest. I'm going to show you, and then if you feel comfortable, you can do it on your own. So what I'm going to do is bring my, oh my God, what am I doing? Bringing my head towards the ground, tucking my chin in towards my chest. My hands are going to come towards my heels. I'm arching my back, rounding my spine. And I'm going to gently let my head come to the mat and round. So I'm lifting up my glutes, lifting up my hips, and feeling the stretch in my back body. And if this is okay for you, you're welcome to join me in this. Very good. Start to come out of rabbit pose. And just notice how you feel. Notice the throat area. We'll bring the hands up to the throat now and just gently massage around the sides of the neck. And while you do this, I want you to think about a mantra. So a mantra that I like to work with when it comes to the throat chakra is, I am allowed to express my full truth. I am allowed to express my full truth. I am allowed to express my full truth. Bring the hands to the front, gently massage down below the collarbones now. And as this is the throat chakra, I'd like to spend the last few moments that we have together chanting Om, the vibrational sound of the universe. This is really good to warm up the throat, warm up the larynx. So even if you're not a singer, this is a really good one. And if you want to get into singing, I highly recommend it. So you can bring your hands down to your knees in whatever kind of posture or mudra you'd like. Roll the shoulders back and down. And if it feels comfortable, close down the eyes. Imagine if you were breathing from your throat and you could feel as you inhale, the throat opens up, and as you exhale, it closes. Imagine your throat blossoming open. And now we're going to prepare for Om. You can join me whenever you feel comfortable. So inhale together. Exhale. One more. Feel the vibrations in your throat. And gently start to open the eyes again. Thank you so much for joining me in today's practice, in this chakra series. Tomorrow we were working on the third eye chakra, the one for intuition and connecting to your senses beyond the physical sense. So thank you so much again, and I look forward to seeing you tomorrow.